Hello everyone. Welcome back to NorbyPole TV. In today's video, I'll show you how you can make money just by watching videos in 2026. Yes, no skills, no selling, no camera needed. If you're ready to earn online, like this video, subscribe, and let's start. How does it work? Companies pay platforms to promote movie trailers, short clips, product videos. You get paid for watching and sometimes rating the videos. Top platforms that pay you to watch videos. 2026. 1. Swagbucks. One of the most trusted platforms worldwide. How you earn. Watch short videos. Movie trailers. Sponsored ads. Payment methods. PayPal. Gift cards. Earnings. $1 to $5 per day, depending on activity. 2. Inbox dollars. Pays you real cash, not points. Tasks. Watch ads and short clips. Answer simple questions. Minimum withdrawal. $15. Payment. PayPal or check. 3. Timebucks. Works globally including Africa. You earn by watching videos. TikTok tasks. YouTube likes. Payment options. Payer. Airten. Crypto. 4. YSense. Earn by watching videos and completing simple tasks. Advantages. Trusted platform. Low payout threshold. Payment. PayPal. Skrill. 5. TikTok and YouTube rewards. Indirect method. This is a smart method. How it works. Watch trending videos. Copy video links. Share through reward or affiliate programs. Earnings depend on consistency and platform rules. What you need to start. Smartphone or laptop. Internet connection. Active email address. PayPal or supported payment account. Important warnings. Avoid platforms that ask for registration fees. Promise very high daily income. Require payment before withdrawal. Legit platforms pay small but real money. Making money by watching videos will not make you rich, but it can help you. Pay for internet. Buy airtime. Earn small side income. Consistency is the key. If this video helped you, like, comment, video money. Subscribe to NorbyPole TV. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed and successful.